just caught a body, but I never leave a trace. Face is pretty after days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how'd it taste? Yo, how'd it taste?
Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm gonna be kind of quiet because it's like 10 o'clock at my house and everyone is basically asleep. But I'm gonna be filming my first makeup video on my YouTube channel. And let's just say I'm not too happy right now because I planned on posting another video, got deleted, and I don't even know how. But anyway, I did make my eyebrows earlier and I didn't feel like redoing them, so I just took off all my other makeup and I kept them on, but I am going to fix them up. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to talk, but I'm going to mainly focus on the video because it's not going to be really a talk, but I'll talk when it's necessary. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to be doing just yet. I just know maybe like pink or orange. I don't know. It's just going to come out. Like, I don't know at all. Then I'll put some coconut oil and I'm going to and some on my face. My nose tends to get really dry during winter, so I always make sure to do that because no one likes flaky makeup or dry makeup. Here I was just filling in my eyebrows a little bit more, like little text says. Ignore me just doing my little ranting because I was on the phone at the time, so yeah. Not too dramatic eyebrows because I'm the focus of this video. But I am going to prep my eyelids. Not really prep, but I'm going to conceal them more. I always put concealer on top of this because I don't like putting on my hand that much, so I'm just going to take some from here and put it on top of my eyes. Here, I don't really put my concealer on any type of way. I just dab it on, and later on, you will see that I go over with a beauty blender and just blend everything out evenly, so it's a nice covered base for me to start putting eyeshadow on. And then I'm just going to take my brush. Like, this is the brush that I would concealer away with. Oh, I have both of these. I usually blend the concealer out a little bit more with my eyebrow. I'm just going to go over and still make sure that it's blended in. Some blended concealer. Okay. Now I'm about to put my coconut oil on the floor. I said a loud tragic bang if it was full. I'm gonna start with a more brownish tone, kind of. So they made it pink, I'll work my way to the pink. Okay, using the Morphe 3502 palette. This is what it looks like. It's not messed up, so it's okay. I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's like a brownie type shade. It's really good for my skin, I think. So gonna paint my brush and start. I know some people do one eye and they do it off camera, but not me. I'll probably forget the steps. Oh well. So this is like more of my color, so that if I go back and I mess up, I can just use that color and blend out more. I not really doing anything. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring my other brush. Let's see. Next I'm taking the Morphe 3502 palette called the Color Burst. So pretty. I actually haven't used this palette at all, and I got it like last year. First, I'm going to take this color, because I want to blend it in. I'm going to take this one right here, because it's light, and then I'll probably move over until this one. Right now, so using the first pink, the light pink that I showed you. See, it's like very light. I just want that there. So right now, I'm going to burn this pink. And I know, like, my first time doing makeup, it's not, like, you know, roast me. My first time really doing, not my first time doing makeup, but, like, filming it and stuff. Like, I'm not a professional at all. I'm gonna take this. I'm really blowing that in there. Now let's see what happens.
Here, I'm just doing the same thing, exactly the same thing that I did the other eye, just sped up so you guys can follow the process as well. Guys, make sure to comment down below if you like these videos quiet with background music or you would like me to talk a little more. Just let me know.
I'm gonna take the 3502 Multi palette again. I'm gonna take this like dark chocolate color right here, a little bit of it.
Like I said before, I'm not a professional, but I took the deep brown to darken up in the crease a little bit, and I mean, it worked out, but I was just trying something different, that's all. Right here, I'm just taking the same little brush that I used to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm just cutting my crease with my Sharp Tape Shape in Tan Sand, I believe. And that's the same color I use in my eyebrows.
Gonna go ahead and cut this side.
Once I cut the crease, I'm just going to blend out so that the lines are not harsh, and it's basically setting it without powder.
I'm actually gonna go over with the little concealer thing that I use, like to brush away, and just pat that real good. So it's a little more blended. Take the pink again and just go over a little bit. You know, kind of like clean it up, make it a little better. This is Beach Cosmetics Taking It Back to Brazil. I know I'm not even gonna show the screen because it's cracked. Doesn't even matter, it's an accident. So I'm gonna take this one.
Please ignore my stupid little makeup faces. I will find a way sooner or later to focus in more on the eye makeup.
Because they're on more of my color. Yeah, it's definitely cleaning it up a bit. I'm actually gonna test out and mix two glitters. So the first glitter is from the Warrior by Julia's palette, like this. And I'm gonna do more Remy. This one, the middle one. No, I'm gonna use this one. The one right over this one. I'm gonna use that one first and then put that one on top. So it seems that my Fix Plus just one day got up and grew legs. I don't know what happened to it. I have like the box right here and everything. So anyway, I'm just gonna use Mario Badescu spray because it's almost the same. Not the same, but almost.
Here I'm just going to be taking that same kind of dark or hot pink color, and I'm just going to be blending everything out seamlessly.
So recently I ordered some lashes from AliExpress. Girl, these, and these. But I'm actually gonna put these on, and they slide out. so cute. Stop the video here, put them on, come back, and then do the rest of my face. Okay, hey guys, I got the lashes on, and now I'm about to just do my foundation and concealer. I'm not an eyelash wearer, but now I'm kind of liking them, but then again, they're kind of bold. Like, these are bold, and I have the other pairs that I showed you guys. Excuse me, they're not as bold as that. So I'm gonna shift my foundation on with the foundation I use and concealer. I'm gonna set everything, and then I'm gonna take my hair out and get everything popping. Darken on my skin tone right now because it's winter, and this is like a rummy color, but I feel like it is light, and I just, you know, no. Oh snap! My hair is just coming off the ponytail, you know. Good thing I have a little headscarf on. I'm gonna mix them really good. Okay. It's gonna have to do. I mean, it's basically my color. It's basically everything else color. I don't really conceal or put foundation on my nose. My nose gets dry, and I feel like it's already light, like my color and stuff. So, I'm gonna leave that for now.
Here, I'm just using my beauty blender to apply the foundation. But if you guys have stayed this long, I would like you to comment down below some good feedback, subscribe, and like it, and stay tuned.
That should be enough. The lashes are actually going on these, sis. Not bad. And this is just one of my first videos out of many because this one's not that good. Trust me, like, you always do good when you least expect it. Okay. I'm gonna take my Fit Me and 320 Natural Tan. From Beach Cosmetics Index Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take some of the pink and put it underneath my eyes. All and stuff, but it's the finished look. It's really my first time of many times, so guys, stay tuned for the process. I'm a makeup artist. Well, I want to be somewhat a makeup artist, okay? But I'm not a professional. You don't have to do anything the way I do. It's just the way I do it. And right now I'm still learning. I'll probably get some other pictures from Snapchat and stuff like that. And yep, it's just a look. It's cute. It's pink, my favorite color. You know, I'm actually kind of proud of it. It's like, you know, a little simple look. And the lashes are good. So, okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned to my process because like I said, I'm not professional and I definitely plan to get better. Okay, bye.